What's good, everybody? Welcome on today's stream. Happy to have you here. Today we're gonna have a look at the BTC chart. Obviously, I was talking about this already in a group. I did that YouTube short, but to remind you, if you don't know, we have very important news coming out in 7 minutes from now. So we are expecting big volatility on a BTC. What happened here today is we gotta move down, losing that value area of the range, and basically I got stopped out on my FTMO long. Do I really care? No, not at all. I was planning this, or planning is a probably wrong word, but simply I was ready for getting stopped out in a break even. I took profit already on that position, so I'm fine with that. The plan that I have is, honestly, I'm expecting move to the upside. We'll see how it goes, but I have a bullish bias. If we won't get moved to the upside, I am not really sure if I'm gonna be shorting. But let's start with some exocharts analysis. So I'm gonna just change the view here and to the exocharts, and we're gonna start with the market profile. So the TPO. I'm gonna reset all the merges. I don't want to have any merges right now. And we have a really nice area of single prints coming in above. So between 18,800 and 18,934, we have a single prints to fill. Once again, I have a bullish bias. We'll see how it goes, but I would be looking for getting acceptance back inside this range. So let me hide this. No, actually, you know what? I'm going to keep it. I'm looking for acceptance back inside this range. The value area yellow of it will be the resistance number 1. Once we're going to break through it, we're going to pay attention to the news that they're going to release. I want to talk a little bit about this right now. So what I'm going to do is... No, I'm just going to read it for you. I wanted to show you Discord, but that's for Wizard members only. But I made like a small breakdown in the morning today. What I said, overall, what is a CPI? CPI is simply indicating if the inflation is increasing or decreasing. Very simply said. It's more complicated, obviously, but, you know, I'm trying to keep it as simple as possible. What is the forecast of the CPI? Forecast is 8.1. Everything below means market will go up. So basically everything below means that inflation is slowing down. That's more bullish for markets. We will be looking higher. If they're going to release that CPI is higher than 8.1, we would be looking, or we're going to be looking for move down, because it's a bearish sign. More inflation. This is indicating, you know, not a bullish news for a market. Simply said, what do we have in the US? Well, obviously we have elections, right? Usually before the elections, they are trying to keep the news as good as possible. Let's say it like this. So, you know, this is a little bit why I believe that they're gonna release a good news today, because this can be manipulated quite easily. The CPI, let's say it like this. And basically, once they're gonna release good news, you know, they have a better chances for being elected. So simply said. So yeah, I'm gonna be looking for move to the upside right now as we are speaking. I can even show you FTMO. No, I don't want to be switching. You know what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do this. I'm not in any position as we are speaking, okay? And basically I'm in a short on a Bybit accounts, but that's more of a swing position that I'm still holding. I'm gonna read a chat if you guys... Good afternoon. What's up, Silver? Happy to have you here. Okay, guys, we have a 3 minutes. What we're gonna do is we're gonna open our website and I'm gonna show you a small preview of the news that are being released. Okay, so we're gonna be paying attention to this, okay? In 2 minutes. We have a 2 minutes. Gonna open MetaTrader to be ready to trade this. By the way, I'm not a financial advisor. Everything that I'm doing here is only on demo account, okay? Not a financial advisor. The previous was 8.3, which is the thing that I'm talking about. Everything above 8.1 is going to be more, bearish for us. But we'll see how it goes. I'm probably not going to be entering in the first 5 to 10 minutes. I want to, I usually not doing this. It's a little bit of, I don't want to say it's a little bit of gamble, but it's really risky to enter exactly when this is being released. Okay, so how many seconds we have? Still 30 seconds to go. Thirty seconds to go. Five seconds to go. Okay, market is reacting to it already. 8.2. That's a little bit more bearish for us. And yeah, here we go. Look at this. Look at this. But look at the retest of that value area low. Oh my goodness, but this is fucking stupid. Look at this. Exactly to the value area low and now move down. So yeah, not entering obviously right now. It's too risky. But exactly the thing that I said. Everything above 8.1 will be bearish. So far, market is reacting to it exactly as we are predicting. What levels are you looking for? I'm going to be talking about it in the upcoming minutes. Stay tuned, but let me check gold. Oh my goodness. Okay, so this is kind of a surprising for me. Honestly, I wasn't expecting that they're going to release a bad news before the elections. They don't have any options. So someone is calling me. They don't have any other options, it seems. Basically, the whole situation, you can stop the inflation. You can extend it by to the next month, but it's gonna be only worse. So, but 8.2 is not aggressive at all. Yeah. .2 is not aggressive at all. 32 people on the stream. Thank you so much for joining me today, guys. Appreciate it a lot. Jeez. Yeah. Stay on the sidelines right now. That's the best thing you can do. Let's pay attention to some horizontals that we have below us. Daily to the dollar. Down there. Is it surprising? Not really. Look at this daily. But will I trade this? Well, not. I won't, too risky for me. Let's pay attention to the exo charts a little bit. Let's read what we have here. No, this is a wrong folder. Sorry for that. I think that we don't have to talk about liquidity. Liquidity is going to be pretty poor, I guess, here. I want to pay attention to volume and the open interest. Yeah, open interest heavily declining. We are right now getting some move up. 152 million volume. In the side is 5-minute candle. That's a lot. But I specifically want to see what's the net shorts and net longs doing. I can imagine that a lot of people will go short now and they can get trapped. So that's kind of a reason that why I'm not entering it right now as we are speaking. For me, it's too risky. But look at this. This daily was respected exactly to the almost to the dollar. Give or take $10. This is pretty perfect. Akshay, I don't know if I'm pronouncing your name correctly. I tried it on a podcast that we had together. Akshay, I guess. Akshay Discord's ID. Silver. He's the guy who passed recently the FTMO challenge. We had a podcast together, which will be uploaded next week. I'm still working on it. But yeah. After studying Wizards content, you can test yourself. Yes, you can. Yes, you can. Like this. I can show you pretty quickly, but I will do this in a few minutes. I want to pay attention briefly to the BTC. The thing we're gonna do is let's zoom out a little bit. 4 hour time frame. Look at this. We can create possibly we can create SFP down there, take our liquidity and reverse the whole move. How likely it is compared to that we got the bearish news. Like I feel unconfident longing this right now as we are speaking. I may have a different opinion in 2-3 hours from now once I see that okay. We trapped a lot of them. We created really nice SFP. Now it's likely to get a move up. But right now, as we are speaking, I don't feel comfortable longing this, but neither shorting. Once we're going to lose the daily up down there, then we are looking for this daily for a lower one. I'm still not used to basically having a trading view on the left side because here on the right side down there, you have my face, so you can see that. So basically, once we lose this daily, I would be looking for the lower one, obviously, level to level trading. That's the style that we like, but I don't feel comfortable entering long now as we are speaking. Neither short, once again. Once we're going to lose it, it's a different story, but too risky to go long. Really nice TA by CV Sniper Pips. He killed it today. Who is he? Well, he's an analyst in our team, in our community. Look what he was posting today in the morning. Even though he has completely different approach than I do, this is kind of a thing that I wanted to have in a Crypto Wizards, I'm teaching one style of trading, but I always like, even from my perspective, I'm always trying to learn something new. And this is very important in trading. If you feel like you are the best and so on, you're going to get wrecked. So all the time I'm trying to learn something new and improve my strategies and so on. So we have a CV Sniper Rips analyst who is doing analysis a little bit different than I do, basically liquidity cycles and so on. What he said today: this is the current status on BTC. Banks are accumulating here on 4 hour range. It's not a small accumulation. if it does not fail, I expect to send price quite far away. I would expect to see at least one more lower low, at the best two lower lows before the bounce. And this is what he was charting. Yeah, we'll see how it goes, but I would view this for next 2 or 3 days. We're gonna continue down to the 17k area, 70k ish, and then we'll see. Then we'll see from there. But do you use hotkeys to enter trades if that is possible on Bybit? No, I don't. Basically, I was trying to use the, how it's called, the Stream Deck. Yeah, the Stream Deck. But honestly, I feel quite confident entering from the phone. And also I changed my style a little bit. The trading style. I'm not so aggressively scalping anymore. Simply because of the reason I want to have a little bit more free time. But also I make the same amount of percentages as I did when I was aggressively scalping with standard day trading. So I'm holding positions for, few hours daily, and I'm able to make the same amount of money or percentages from this. So for me, there is no point in aggressively scalping this right now as we are speaking. But yeah, maybe I will get back to aggressive scalping in the future. I don't know. I liked it a lot. I kind of have a personality for it. Let's say it like this. But oh, I need to change the window share. Let's go back to the exo charts. I can imagine they're gonna reverse the whole move, honestly. We have a huge buying tail down there, but for me, it's too risky to catch long now, but trying to catch a long, simply because of the reason that if I'm gonna enter now, I have to place my stop loss down there, and there's like so many resistances above locally that needs to be reclaimed before going higher. So the point I'm trying to make here is simply there's so many options, or there are so many options where price could potentially get some reversal, that right now, as we are speaking from like a risk and reward perspective, it's not worth it to take the position. Yeah, it was daily. The level that is holding us right now. Let's pay attention to gold. Gold keeps dumping. Or did they stop trading on a Oanda? Oh yeah, it seems like it. Going back to the value area low, 1665. I'm wondering if this was planned. Okay, we are much lower on forex.com. I'm wondering if this was planned or pre-planned, or something happened on Oanda. On FTMO it works fine, without any problem. Okay, seems like we are back on Oanda. Or are we? No, we are not. Okay, so Oanda stopped trading. Going back to CXO here. Right there. We have this huge buying tail. You see that quite a lot of volume developed down there. Yeah, look at this. A lot of liquidity. Around 18,100. A lot of volume transacted. It could potentially be indicating that someone was observing down there, but simply what we can do is we can lower this to like 3 million candle. So this is not a time frame candle, okay? Just if you are new here or if you don't know this, then the candle is not based on a time frame, it's based on transacted volume in the market. What I'm trying to do here is I'm gonna pay attention to the delta bars, especially to the CVD line. I mean, small divergence. Is it small? Yes, it is. Different, like 1 million divergence down there. Is it big? No, it's not, obviously. I wouldn't pay too much attention to it, to be honest. I wouldn't pay too much attention to it. By the way, guys, just to mention this, if you don't see the banner up there, we still have the special sale event on Crypto Wizard. So if you've been thinking about joining us, now it's the right time. Give us a try for 1 month and you'll see if this is for you or this is not for you. If you know us for a longer period of time, you can go for 6 months, obviously, since you know what you are buying. But if you are completely new here, then probably go for 1 month to just test it out and you'll see that, okay, this is valuable content. No, this is not. Simply said. Here, let's pay attention to Bitcoin. We still get quite a lot of acceptance down there, honestly. This is 20 tick size. If I higher this a little bit, you'll see this maybe better. Yeah, you see how the volume is developing. Considering how much time we spend here, the volume, a lot of volume developing down there. I believe that a lot of people will go short now, but from the open interest, more people are buying now, but the thing is open interest, the net longs, net shorts, it's an experimental indicator. So I don't know like if every time these data are correct, but most likely they are. We are getting some net longs stepping in. For me, it's better to stay on sidelines. I don't even know if I can trade on FTMO. I guess that I can't right now. I guess I can. Okay, guys, we can do some quick Q&A here. I'm still going to be talking about BTC and so on, but, you know, just in the meantime, you can ask some questions. I'm going to answer you now. We have 32 people watching. We had 40 here, I guess. 40. Now we have 37. I don't know. Cool. Thank you for joining me. I'm surprised FTMO didn't restrict this event. Didn't they? I don't know. Probably not, right? Yeah, seems like they didn't. What did you mean by the daily made? POC, Valuar Yellow, could you elaborate in more detail? They are restricting crude oil inventories today. Silver, how you know this? Do they share this somewhere? Or because basically what I do is I'm trying to enter a position and it usually shows me if I can do it or not. But what I meant by daily is simply horizontal level created on daily time frame. If you want to know more about this, go to our website. You don't have to pay. This is free. Spectator plan. Just sign up for it. Then you'll go to courses and you will sign up for, or you will click on spectator, and it's right here horizontal. So we had a problem with uploading wrong video, so now it should be fine. It should be okay. Should be fixed. Okay, gold. Let's pay attention. Oh my goodness. They started selling gold even. No, okay. I want to see the exact time they started selling this. Yeah, 14:30. Bitcoin getting the bounce from the daily level now. Economic calendar in a matrix. Aha, okay. So you mean simply support? It's a horizontal level. I don't know what you mean simply support, because there are more ways of how you can say support, but check the video. It's explained here in for free. So yeah. Is there any reason streams aren't HD quality? My eyes can't see numbers. It's not HD. It should be HD. Oh yeah, it's not. You're right. Oh my god. Okay, I'm sorry for that. I think that. I don't know how I can change it. Oh yeah, you are right, mate. It's in a bad quality. I didn't know. Yeah, I have to stop the stream to fix that. But the Wi-Fi should be fine. I have like 500 megabits upload now. It's 720p for me. Yeah, I can see 720p too, but that sucks. I will fix this for next time. I didn't know, honestly. Oh my god, this is 786, I believe. No, it's a little bit lower. We had some naked POC down there, if I remember this correctly. Do we have any? Yes. But taken down already now. Obviously no reaction from it. Daily level. I want to see if we have any daily. We have the naked PO 1620. That could be support number 1, but only like a local scalp. I would be cautious down there, honestly. I'm gonna preset an alert because there is, it's gonna get some retracement sooner or later, but it's down there. Okay. So that is marked out. It's 1628 for those. If you can see the numbers, it's 1628. I'm sorry for that, guys. I will try to fix this. Will do, mate. But what I meant is that the horizontal level could be determined either from plain price action, where price action touches multiple times, simply support, or from TPO, from volume profile, etc. Yeah, no, this is simply price section created by candle open and candle close. So check out the video. It works very, 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 very well if you add some confluence. And let me show you some examples of how well this works. But this is really good. Look at this. Obviously, you need to be able to filter out the ones that are not so high probability ones. And like I wasn't long in this one, but you see that it bounced exactly from it. It's not coincidence. Here we got rejected out of it. And if you combine this with the volume levels, which here you have a pretty nice peak on the volume profile, so nice high volume node, which was also previous range value area low. So this is already giving you that confluence, then like, you know, that's all you need. What does acceptance below or above and key level mean to you, Jan? Simply you want to see volume developing on a volume profile, check TPO. You want to see what's happening above the level, if people are actually buying, if they are selling, you are monitoring open interest. This cannot be explained on stream, you know. It's like so complicated topic, or I would have to go more in depth to give you the right explanation of this. But it's explained in a Crypto Wizard, so if you want to know about this more, then obviously visit our website. We still have that special sale event once again, 30% off from all our plans. So yeah, check it out. But here on the BTC, like I said, we still have too much acceptance. I don't want to say too much acceptance, but you know, in terms of getting or going long here, that's too much acceptance right now. Simply said. Look at this. The volume is developing quite heavily down there. Quite heavily. I am pissed that you see this only in 720. I'm so sorry. You know, the thing that I can do is I can stop the video. And I can change it if that's better for you all, but let me know if you want. So I can stop the stream. I'm just gonna change one settings. I can change it when the stream is live. So if you want to stay here longer, let me know, and I will just turn off the stream. I will change the settings, and I will be back in 1 minute. But it's up to you. I don't really care. I don't know how bad it is. Okay, I'm checking stream and it's really bad. Okay, now it makes sense that you can see the numbers. The thing is that the record of the stream will be okay, I believe. It's just the live stream. No, it's not okay. So because the thing is that I changed from Streamlabs, I switched to OBS. It's in HD, but yeah, HD is not good. I want full HD. Yeah, it's literally only one setting thing. So yeah, I'm pissed, honestly. I wanted to bring you a nice stream, but you can't see it correctly, which is, you know, one of the key things. So sorry for that. I can't do much about it right now. During the stream. Thinking about getting into some position here, but it's too risky for me. You know what we're gonna do? Let's pay attention to what happened last time. I mean, we gotta move down, but I wanna see if it was recovered. So the last time we got a CPI. Is it all the time? Is it all the time at the same date? Honestly, I'm not a fundamental trader at all, so I don't really know about CPI. Right here, this was September 13th. Yeah, okay. BDC September 13th. That was that impulse, yeah, right here. But much more aggressive last time. Well, simply why? You know, the reason is pretty simple. The last time we got 8.3, which is, you know, 0.1 higher than we have today. So today it's a little bit more bearish, but not that heavily. Or I don't believe that it's gonna reverse that quickly down as it did last time. And we can see it live on a chart. I can see it fine on my phone at work. Okay, yeah, fine. Good to know, good to know. I believe we're gonna fill these single prints now. That's really likely. So I would expect, you know, retracement back to 18,500. We have a little bit above it. Could potentially be another level of interest for big players to, you know, fill their big positions. So locally, I would expect move up, but soon as we're not gonna reclaim like 18,850, the previous support, I wouldn't be going long here. I'm gonna be looking for taking short around here, around this area. I'm gonna keep the Wizard members updated once I will enter some position. But right now I'm staying on the sidelines. Let's say like this. What's your view on ES? S&P. S&P. Let's pay attention to S&P a bit. S&P, in my opinion, is approaching support at around 3,500. We can say, yeah, also psychological level. This is gonna be important level on S&P. Yeah, it will. Locally, let's pay attention to this locally. I can imagine S&P can get some bounce out of this. To like, I would be looking for a retest of this at least. Like 3060, 600, sorry. But we'll see. We'll see how it goes. Let's check gold a little bit. I wouldn't be thinking about taking a position on gold now. This is support number 1. This weekly down there potentially could be a star flip of this. So yeah, this is gonna be important support. I'm gonna mark out. I'm gonna preset an alert around this level. Like I said, could potentially get some bounce here. But yeah, this is level number 1 and level number 2 is down there. This daily, that's gonna be second level with a naked POC, and then obviously we are looking lower to this green box. But of course, it's more bearish with the news released. Okay, guys, I'm gonna finish the stream. I spent here. Can I see it somewhere? $45 minutes stream. Next time I'm gonna fix the quality of the stream, so it's gonna be better. Sorry for that. Once again, if you've been thinking about joining Wizards, now is the right time, since we have that special sale event, 30% off from all our plans. So check it out. Thank you for joining me today, and see ya in a group. See ya in the next video update. And right now, like I said, not entering into any new position since it's too risky on a BTC chart, either gold. So I'm gonna wait for a few hours to see price stabilizing a little bit, and then I'm gonna make some statement from this. But yeah, as we are speaking right now, not entering into anything new. Thank you for joining me today. Subscribe to the channel, and see you next